step is you'll get a tracer, and I do sell these on my Etsy store, by the way. I sell tracers with instructions and also supply lists for many, many different paintings. I've got over 400 on Etsy. It's Printables by Loretta. You can see below, I will have a link to my Etsy store. But what you do is, in order to transfer that onto a canvas or watercolor paper, I buy something called graphite paper, and it's very matte on one side and shiny on the other. You put the shiny side down, and then you put your tracer on top, and I will show you how to trace that. So I have my canvas, and I have the graphite paper with the shiny side against the canvas, and I've got my tracer. I'm going to set that right on there, and we're going to start tracing. I use a pencil. You can use a pen if you prefer. I just like to use a pencil because it gives me a little more traction, so I have a little more control when I'm doing this. And I will show you in a minute what happens. The reason I like graphite paper better than carbon paper is the carbon is usually a bluish color that sometimes bleeds if you use white paint. And I prefer this. Graphite paper is pretty much the lead from a pencil that's on there. You can make your own. Take a piece of paper and just rub it all the way with the pencil, cover the whole thing with the pencil lead, and that can be your graphite paper. So just keep watching me as we just trace this. If you enjoyed watching that and you want to paint along, we're going to be working on this painting in the next video, so please watch.